Hi everyone. Today I want to do a quick video review on this great little air compressor I've had for several years, and it served me well many times. And I bought this from Harbor Freight maybe 4 years ago. You can buy them on Amazon now too, which is great. I'll put a link in the description. This pump is a little powerhouse. It's direct drive, which means there's no gears inside, which means it's more efficient and much quieter. I wanted a pump with high volume or high flow because I have a larger SUV, tires are bigger, and I needed something that can fill those quicker when the need arises. This pump has saved me twice already in 4 years with flat tires. Once on vacation, was nowhere near a repair shop or anything. Came out to the parking lot, tire was half flat, and I knew I had this, so I pulled it out, and it worked like a charm. So excellent pump. A couple of the nice features of it: has a very long cord. This is, I believe, a 10-foot cord here, and this flex air hose is a 6-foot hose, and it has a quick disconnect fitting. It comes with this carrying case, which is really nice. Everything fits in there. You can tuck it away in your car. Also comes with some needles for inflating other things, but I mainly use it for car tires. Also has a standard 100 psi gauge. One of the things that really drew me to this pump, I'd read a lot of reviews. Like I said, the direct drive, the carrying case. But in the store, I was able to feel the pump, and it is heavy. This thing is, like I said, a little powerhouse. So later in the video, we're going to take it outside, hook it up to the car, and see how fast I can inflate the tire. I'd recommend this pump to anyone who's looking out there. I did a lot of research before I bought this, and it's one of the better pumps out there. At least something that's going to last a long time. Sure, there are pumps out there that have all kinds of fancy stuff, digital gauges, all that, but when you listen to them, they're loud, they're obnoxious. Like I said, I've used this many times over the last 4 years, never had a problem with it. Works perfect every time.